This is my GED Live, and in this video, we are going to give you a GED styled word problem. As you know, if you've been preparing to pass the GED math test for any length of time, you know that word problems are the order of the day. So here is an example. And this example specifically references the subject of geometry. A giant cola can was filled with real cola as part of a promotional event. The volume of the can was 1,004.8 cubic feet, and the width of the can was 8 feet. What was the height of this promotional size can? So this question is asking us to do a couple of things, but the first thing we have to do is go ahead and list out the formula. So the formula for the volume of a cylinder is pi times r squared times the height. And so we know that the mathematical number for pi is 3.14, and so we'll put that there. Now, let's go back to the problem. What are the pieces that we have? Well, we have the actual volume, and we have the width of the can, but we don't have the height, and that's what they're asking us, so we're going to have to find the height. So what we're going to do is we're going to take what we do have from the problem and plug it into this formula. So for volume, that'll be 1,004.8, and pi 3.14 times the radius. Now, so the width of this can is 8 feet. So just imagine this promotional cola can here, cola, and the width across is 8 feet. And we are looking for the height. So the distance across a circle is called the diameter, but the radius is half, and I'll use a different color to emphasize that. So half of that, so half of 8 is 4, so the radius is 4. And then that's what gets plugged in there for radius. So we'll put in 4 squared, and then we'll leave h for height. Now it's just a matter of doing the math, so we'll just drop down 1,004.8. 3.4 times 4 squared is 16. So then that's 3.14 times 16 is 50.24h. Okay, because we're still looking for height here. And now, if you've experienced our program in lesson 2 in the GED Super Math course, you'll know that in order to solve for h, you have to do the opposite. So this is h multiplied by 50.24, and so we're going to do the opposite of that, which is divided by 50.24. And if we do it to this side over here, we have to do it the same thing to that side because it is an equation. So in order for it to remain equal, whatever we do over here, we have to do over here. So 50.24 divided by 50.24 is 1 or 1h, or just simply plain old h. And then 1,004.8 divided by 50.24. And of course, I've done this math ahead of time, but you can just simply do it on your calculator, and you will get h equals 20. So the answer to this question is 20 feet. If you want more great content like this, be sure to visit us at www.mygedlive.com, and there you will be able to sign up for our free GED math email series, and you'll get great content just like this.